Hi everybody, Monte here, geometry teacher. So today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to get to the online part of geometry. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to get on a computer. If you have a school computer, some of the stuff logs in faster, but any computer in the world. Find an internet connection and type in the search bar, Spokane Public Schools. Anyway, once you've done the search, click on Spokane Public Schools. When you get to the main page, there's going to be a disclaimer that pops up. I like to keep the disclaimer because everything we need, okay, all of our resources for distance learning are right here. So I don't click Don't Show Again. I just exit out. Scroll down and you want to click on Digital Tools. Digital Tools. We're going to try to find Clever. Once we log into Clever, we can find MATHIA and Carnegie Learning. Okay, that's the online portal for what we do in geometry. Actually, all of our math classes in Spokane Public Schools. So click on Digital Tools. Once you get to Digital Tools, it's going to give you the family portal. So if you have brothers and sisters, tell family about this because your parents can make sure that all of you are participating. It's a quick one-stop shop. Click on Clever. Now, it's going to ask you to log into your Clever account. Your Clever account is your email address. Last name, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org, and your 8-digit birth date. 8-digit birth date. Okay. Now, once we're here, I suggest you guys surf through here. Check everything out. There's so many cool things. Okay. Now, if you hover, you can make them favorites. Okay. So my favorites are Office 365. This is how I get to my email, my Teams pages. Okay. Office 365. Blackboard. Every one of your classes that you're in, you have a Blackboard shell that follows the class. Okay, so like in math, you click on your Blackboard shell, you're going to see Geometry with Monte, and there's 3 video tutorials for everything that I teach. Okay, I want you to bookmark CL, Carnegie Learning, MATHIA. Carnegie Learning and MATHIA. Okay, now we're going to click on this, and I'll show you what I see. Once you click on that, it'll take a minute to load. Now this is the teacher part. Here's the student part, okay? All right, now we're going to click on the textbook, okay? You may have picked up that big green textbook. Here's the online version. So you don't have to have the textbook. I like to have the textbook because then I can write in it, okay? Now, MATHIA, that's the online piece. And I'm going to assign part of that every week, okay? That'll be some of our 20-minute solo mode when you work outside of class. Okay? All right. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to click on what I see and show you that everything is open as you do it. You can go as fast as you want in this class. You don't have to wait for Monte. Okay? So it'll take a second to load. I showed you today logging into the internet, Spokane Public Schools, Clever, Blackboard, Office 365, and your MATHIA. I'm just going to click on the period for classroom, okay? And the reason I click on this is to just show you that the getting started is the assignment for next week. And then you have all of the modules that we're going to study, okay? So, hopefully, you're willing to jump in and participate in that. Next week, I'll give you a little tutorial, plus I'll show you in class kind of the ins and outs of MATHIA if you've never tried it before. But for those of you that have tried it, and I see several of you have already jumped in and participated, I thank you for that. Okay, you'll click on this MATHIA button, and that's how you get started. You'll see these little let's goes. Okay, surf it, study it. That'll be part of your assignment for next week. Thanks for joining me. See you next time in our online virtual classroom. Here's the let's go. Thank you.